Today again we have to come in front of the media to express our grievances once again. You all are aware with the fact regarding 10,323 10,323 teachers which we have been facing since 2014. By now it is 6 years. We are extremely in trouble and in harsh condition. You all must be aware with the recently rally that took place at Cumulum on 10th of this month. So many incidents took place in Cumulum, and after we actually had program for 3 days, but unfortunately we have done only program for a day due to certain unavoidable circumstances. So after completion of Cumulum program, we got an assurance from the Education Minister, Honorable Education Minister Ratanlal Nath. He stated that in few days time, our Honorable CM, most respected Honorable CM, will give some assurance regarding the permanent rehabilitation of 10,323 teachers. But till now, today is 19th of September, and Cumulum rally took place on 10th of September. So it is already a week past, but till now we haven't got any assurance. So that is the main reason today why we have come today in front of the press once again to express all our grievances. And yesterday also we have posted many letters in 16 constituencies to all MLAs and ministers in order to express our grievances and to bring this matter in the upcoming assembly session, which is likely to be held on 21st of September as learned from the sources. So there are certain points. We would like to highlight certain points regarding our problems which we are facing and regarding the demands that we have been stating since long time. Our first demand from the state government is that immediate implementation of the Supreme Court verdict which was pronounced in the last month, August on 5th. So that is our first point of demand. And our second point comes the dyed harness job. We know that so many people have expired since 2014. Till now it's been 6 years, so many people have expired. So our main demand is who couldn't, there are so many people who have expired, so we request to provide dyed harness job to each of the families. And we are also seeking clarification for 127 para. Judgment was given in the year 2014, so till now we haven't got a clarification regarding 127 para, where it is mentioned that only 461 candidate has been challenged for the job, whereas the rest has not been challenged. So we seek for the clarification of 127 para also. And one more thing is, in the year 2012, we have seen that 2012 science has been recruited. So regarding this matter, when the case was going on in High Court of Tripura, there were in total 58 petitions. So when Honorable Justice Deepak Gupta gave the verdict, pronounced the verdict, all these 58 petitions were actually clapped together, and after that verdict was pronounced, stating that all the recruitment policy was illegal. So due to that, all the jobs has been terminated. But unfortunately, what we have seen is that only 57 petitions were implemented by the department and the state government. So where is one more petition missing? So that petition number is actually 537, and that petition is linked with the case related to 2012 science. So in this 461 persons or candidates whose job was challenged as per 127 para, there are 4 people included in 461. So those good people are connected with 2012 science. So recently we have heard that Advocate General Arun Kanti Bhumik have stated that mistakenly those 4 people name has been included in the matter. But how come this matter could be mistakenly? He stated that it is a mistake which was done by a clerical. But when the judgment has been already given by the High Court of Tripura, how can this matter be termed as incorrect, or how can this matter be termed as mistake when the judgment has been already passed by the Justice of High Court? So we seek for justice when their job can be saved. Why not the job of 10323 teachers? Mistakenly our name must have been also entered, so this must be taken into consideration. And one more thing, what I would like to bring to your concern is that whenever we heard about the matter related to our matter by our many ministers or many bureaucrats, they often talk regarding the matter of 10323 teachers, bringing the contradiction with the unemployed youth. So government have issued for to rehabilitate 10323 teachers, and they had also clearly mentioned regarding the 50,000 jobs for the unemployed youth. So my appeal is, don't ever mix the matter between the unemployed youth and the matter of 10323 teachers. So therefore, seeking all this justice, we under the banner of justice for 10323 teachers on 23rd of August, if no positive result comes by 21st of August from the assembly session, we are trying to hold on 23 August Mahakaran Abhijan. September. On 23 September, we are planning to hold Mahakaran Abhijan, and it is for an indefinite period. Thank you.